In this video, I'll show you how you can fix screen resolution problems on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Now the first thing that I suggest you do is you come here and search for Device Manager. Open it up and in here find Display Adapters. Right click and make sure you update the driver to your graphics card. Click on it, search automatically. If it says you already have the best one, you can go back and browse my computer. Let me pick from a list and choose the second one. If you only have one, just try and choose that one. Once you've done that, another thing you can do is you can come here and search for Windows Update. Take the latest update and see if this fixes the issue. If for some reason it's still not working, what you can do is you can find if I head back here real quick, you can Google your GPU name and type software after, and then download the software. In this case, it's going to be NVIDIA for me. Then you simply want to download it, open it up, and you want to make sure that you take the latest driver update from in here. So make sure you take this one. Once you've done that, another thing you can try is right click on your desktop and open up Display Settings. In here, make sure Scale and Layout is on Recommended for both of these. After that, you can go to Advanced Display Settings. In here, make sure you choose the correct refresh rate, which is usually the highest that you can choose. And if for some reason there's still any issues, you can come in here, go to the Properties, open up Properties again, go to Driver, and then if you have the ability to roll back the driver, you can do that and see if that works. Now, I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.